this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Doms Viajero. Like, share, and subscribe.
Hello guys, Doms Viajero here, and I just want to share this good news to everyone that finally our YouTube channel is already monetized. So guys, in this vlog, I just want to say thank you to everyone who helped me na ma-monetize ang YouTube channel ko. Of course, di ko makakalimutan ang nag-encourage talaga sa akin na mag-YouTube at mag-attend ng mga live stream para dumami yung subscribers at ma-achieve yung watch hours, no other than Best Friend Tata Boy Chavez. And also, I just want to grab this opportunity to thank the teams who helped me during my YouTube journey. So, Team Premier, the Dreamers, Bisaya YouTubers Club, Bohol YouTubers Community, and Alicia YouTubers Community, at sa mga teams na di ko nabanggit at tumulong sa akin. Thank you talaga. And so guys, I also just want to share you those video greetings we have from our family, friends, and fellow YouTubers. So here it is. And 1, 2, 3, 4.
What's up guys, Tataboy here, and gusto ko lang batiin ang aking best friend na si Doms Viajero. Best friend, congratulations! Monetize na yung channel mo, best friend, and I'm so proud of you, best friend, kasi ito na yung matagal mo ng pangarap, best friend. Dito na, naalala ko yung time, best friend, na nag-usap tayo tungkol paano makakuha ng mga maraming subscriber. At ito na yun, best friend. Ito na, binigay mo. Grabe, ay nakaka-proud ka, best friend. Ang layo na ng narating mo, at I'm sure malayo pa ang mararating mo, best friend. And wag mo akong kalimutan, ha. Andito lang ako sa iyo, best friend. At wag mong kalimutan ang mga taong bahagi ng YouTube journey mo, best friend. Yun lang naman talaga, eh. Marunong tayo magpasalamat, marunong tayo na magbalik, at marunong din tayo na sumuporta sa mga kapwa YouTuber natin, kasi dito kasi sa YouTube tayo lang ang nagsusuportaan. So, importante na mas mauna tayong mag-support, kasi babalik din naman sa atin yan. You continue, best friend, to inspire other people, maging blessing ka sa kanila. At alam ko naman na sobrang blessing ka sa akin. Maraming salamat talaga. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Sa lahat ng suporta mo, yung walang sawang suporta mo. Yung di ko alam kung paano gagawin natin tong team premiere kung wala ka. Kaya, best friend, maraming salamat. Saludo ako sa iyo. At guys, gusto ko sabihin sa inyo na suportahan natin yung best friend ko, kasi napakabuti niyang tao. Napakabuti talaga. Kaya best friend, asahan mo na nandito lang ako, nandito lang ang team premiere. Walang iwanan to, best friend. Promise yan, walang iwanan to. So again, best friend, congratulations and mabuhay ka.
Hi Doms, Viajero, I just want to congratulate you for your YouTube channel. Galingan mo, keep up the good work, and hope to meet you soon.
Dom Viajero, congrats na monetize na imong YouTube channel. More success sa imong channel, and hopefully you put up more good content. God bless you.
Hi Doms Viajero, congrats sa imong YouTube channel, and as a co-Boholano and classmate sa una, proud kayo ko sa imo, ha. So please continue to inspire a lot of people and post more inspiring and entertaining contents. And I hope na puhon magkakolab ta pag okay na ang quarantine at nata sa Bohol pareho. So yeah, congrats! And untag imong mga subscribers nga taga Bohol diha, subscribe sa akong channel, Catherine Ram. See you guys! Stay safe, Dom, and congrats.
Bro HD, congratulations to you, are also known as Doms Viajero, because your YouTube channel is about to be monetized. Sugod pa lang na daghan pag di kayo ng grasya bro na imo madawat. I am sure of it. All these because of your hard work and also because of the support of your dear loved ones and dear friends. So with that bro, God bless, more power, and let's collaborate soon.
Dom Viajero, and congrats for your 1,000 subscriber. We are happy for you. Good job.
Hello, Doms Viajero channel. This is Ingrata de Ortiz, and
JEC Planet, congratulations!
for having 1K subscribers.
And wish namin na more power pa sa yung channel. And sana makuha mo na yung 4,000 watch hours. So maybe it's time for you to create quality content para mas lalo mo makuha yung puso ng mga manonood mo.
Yes! Again, congratulations, Mama!
Hello everyone, my name is Margaret and I am part of Bisaya YouTubers Club, and I would like to congratulate Doms Viajero for finally monetizing your YouTube channel, and I hope you earn more dollars in the future. Don't forget, my name is Margaret. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much everyone. See you next time.
What's up, Doms Viajero? Congratulations for being a monetized channel na! Wow, grabe naman ni Oy. Daghan na jud kaayos tananda. Amazing na jud kaayo. Dodong Doms Viajero, congratulations for being a monetized channel. Welcome to the real journey of YT. Dodong, continue vlogging. Continue biyaheing. Continue biyaheing far, near, importante dodong, buhi ta. And ikaw sad, you are a certified ada na namo kay kung Tata Boy Chavez na gani na, matik na yan, o diba? So Doms Viajero, ada namo, congratulations once again. We are so happy and proud of you. Continue what you started. Ababu ada namo. So this is Ada Elaine from Make TV, Make It Yummy, and soon Make Covers. So watch out Dorong Doms. Kay i-guess dili i-guess ang mga adas namo sa among Make Covers nga coming up. Already? So congratulations, Ababu Doms Viajero. Bye.
Hello lovely people out there, especially to our friend na si Doms Viajero. Doms, congratulations! You already now a certified YouTuber. Ayun, monetize ka na. Nagbunga na rin ang inyong pinaghirapan, pinagpuyatan. Ayun. I know, we both know, Doms Viajero, na bago lang tayo magkaibigan dito sa YouTube world. Dahil sa aking my dear cousin, Tata Boy Chavez. Ayan. Kaya kita nakilala dahil sa kanya. And now, thank you na you count on me as your friend here in YouTube. At sana hindi lang dito sa YouTube. Yun nga, friend na rin tayo sa Facebook pala. Oo, friend na tayo sa Facebook. Kaya, yun, wish ko sa'yo na sana mag-boom ang iyong channel. Ayun. I know naman siguro na mangyari yun kasi you're a kind-hearted person. Sinabi ni, ano ba yun, best friend ka nga ng aking pinsan na si Tata Boy Chavez. So, I think na pareho kayo ng ugali kasi nagkakasundo kayo, kaya kayo mag-best friend. Kaya, maliwanag ang future mo sa YouTube world. Ayun. Ang dami ko nang sinasabi, no? Ayun, basta dito lang si Ate Marian, mula nung nakilala na kita dan kay Tata Boy Chavez, patuloy na ako magsusuporta sa channel mo. Basta again, continue to be a blessings. Pagiging, helpful mo sa iba, yun. At saka, sana wag mo rin kalimutan si Ate Marian pag maging famous ka na. Ayun, ang dami kong sinabi, ang daldal ni Ate Marian. Basta yun lang naman talaga ang ano talaga doon na wish ko nga na sana maging famous ka din. Dadami at dadami pang yung mga subscribers at magpa-follow sa'yo. mga organic at hindi organic, mga legit friends. Ayun mga guys, kung hindi nyo pa po kaibigan, si Doms Viajero, please i-subscribe nyo yung channel niya. Isama nyo na rin si Ate Mario. Pati si Tata Boss Chavez, ayun, yung aking pinsan, ayun. And thank you so much Doms once again for letting me na maging part ng iyong mga YouTube friend. Ayan. At ako man ay masaya na naging magkaibigan na rin tayo sa YouTube at sa Facebook world. Ayan. And congratulations once again. God bless you. Ayan. Bye-bye.
Congratulations, Doms Viajero, in the monetization of your channel. So for that, wishing for more subscribers, more watch hours, and more upcoming travels. And I really do hope that we can travel together soon. But as of the moment, let us just stay home, stay safe, and just keep smiling.
Hello guys, this is Lococherong Boholano. I just want to use this opportunity to greet my friend Doms Viajero for having been monetized on his YouTube channel. Congratulations bro, finally na monetize na talaga ang channel mo. Masasabi ko lang na patuloy lang tayo sa ating mga pangarap dito sa YouTube world. And then masasabi ko lang din na sobrang salamat kasi andyan ka sa Team Premier. Kung minsan kasi wala ako o hindi ako active sa Team Premier, at andyan ka talaga palagi para mag-guide at ma-assist yung mga members natin. So yun lang bro, thank you, and once again congratulations. So don't forget pala na i-subscribe din ng channel ko, Lococherong Boholano, and yun lang. Thank you bro.
What's up, yo? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Jake.
And this is Carlos.
And you're watching J Carlos TV. See you when I see ya. Peace out. Charot lang. So, nandito kami kay Doms Viajero para batiin siya ng congratulations, bro. Monetize na ang yung YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Alam kong pinaghirapan mo yan. Grabe ang paghihirap ng, para lang ma-monetize ang YouTube channel. And again, congratulations.
And bro, I just want to tell you that sana makapag-share and produce ka pa ng mga amazing inspirational videos para sa mga taong
naniniwala sa'yo at patuloy na maniniwala sa'yo, bro. And also, more travel vlogs kasi yun talaga hilig namin.
Travel vlogs.
And
that's
Silent LS.
Silent LS.
So, napaka-busy mo namin ngayon. Pero again, congratulations, Doms Viajero.
Congrats.
And again, this is Jake.
This is Carlos.
And you're watching J Carlos TV. See you when I see ya. Peace out.
Super duper idol, Doms Viajero. I'd like to say congratulations dahil monetize na rin yung channel mo. Ako at si Idol of Tata Boy Chavez talagang super duper tuwa rin nung nalaman namin na monetize na yung channel mo kasi deserve mo yan. Napaka-bait mo, napaka-humble mo. At syempre, napaka-supportive. Kaya deserve mo yan. Maraming salamat nga pala sa'yo sa iyong suporta, idol ko ha. Super duper idol na nagkakilala tayo dati. Hindi ka pa naka 1,000 subscribers. Pero tingnan mo naman ngayon. Ang bilis talagang tumaas ng banana. Ay, hindi. Ang bilis lumaki ng bahay mo. Dahil yan sa pagka-supportive mo. Diba? Ganyan talaga, nakikita kasi yan sa bahay mo yung pagka-supportive mo. Pag mabait ka, humble ka, supportive ka, talagang mabilis yan aangat. Kaya ipagpatuloy mo lang yan, idol. At andito lang kami lagi ni Idol of Tata Boy Chavez para suportahan ka. Hindi kami magsasawang suportahan ka, idol, kasi grabe ka rin kasi kung sumuporta sa amin. Maraming salamat sa iyo, ha, super duper idol, at congratulations ulit sa iyo. Good luck sa iyong channel and more power sa iyo. God bless. Lian G. Barbero, ang daldalera ng Taiwan.
What's up mga ka-Team-S?
It's me, Zardine!
And it's your boy, Ian of Team-S Family Vlog. So, yun po meron na kaming babatiin dito. So, binabati namin yung tropa namin na si Doms Viajero! Dahil
monetize na ang kanyang channel!
Yun! Monetize na ang kanyang channel. So, congratulations sa'yo, bro. You really deserve it.
Yes, at last, nag-paid off na rin yung
hard work natin, Ganon! Yan! So, we are looking forward sa more biyahe mo pa kasi alam naman natin yung sitwasyon ngayon, no? Tsaka, pagkatapos nito, syempre, Ayan na, may biyahe na naman si Dom. Hintayin natin yan. So, heads up high, keep those feet on the ground. So, congratulations sa'yo, bro. You really deserve it. Bye-bye! Peace out!
Hi guys! Una sa tanan mo great day ko sa among big brother sa team nga si Doms Biahero kay finally monetize na yang channel o diri na gid magsugod iyang journey as a vlogger. Then swerte kayo kay wala siya kulba-kulba pagka email ni lolo niya. So congrats again Doms Biahero.
What is up guys? Christoph here, and yes, gusto ko lang mag-congratulate sa ating big brother na si Doms Biahero. Finally, monetize na yung channel mo, and ang masasabi ko lang, continue to create good quality videos and continue to inspire more people. And lastly, sana sa next LS mo magpakita ka na. Once again, congratulations Doms Biahero and good job!
Hi Doms, I just want to say congrats kasi monetize ka na. I wish you all the best. So excited for your journey here in YouTube. So just enjoy and good luck on your journey, and we're just here to support you.
What's up bro Doms? I just want to say na congratulations kay na monetize na ka, and you deserve it. As in, kay gabi ka makatabang na mo. And more content pa bro, and LS. So God bless you and keep up the good work. And tagay na.
Good day and welcome to CN Chester Parrot YouTube channel.
Good day buddies and mates. Today we would like to extend our heartfelt congratulations to Doms Biahero for being a monetized channel. Thank you for all your unending support to us, buddy. And yeah, continue uploading great contents and inspiring other people. So from Ed, Cian, and Chester, once again, congratulations.
Congratulations Doms Biahero, and finally you are a monetized channel. Yes! Congratulations bro.
Hi to my friend ka-team premiere ko. Doms Biahero, finally na-monetize na ang iyong channel. Yay! Sana magtuloy-tuloy na yan sa more blessings to come and more views to come, and sana matulungan mo rin yung mga small YouTubers and keep inspiring and motivating everyone. So again, andito lang kami para tumulong sa'yo. Andito lang kami para mas lalo pang mag-grow ang iyong YouTube channel. So, thank you.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Greetings everyone. Just wanna congratulate my bro Doms Biahero. Congratulations bro. Finally monetized ka na. You deserve all the blessings in life, cause you're a good person. Doms Biahero everyone. Idagdag nyo sa inyong listahan at saka sa inyong tahanan ang bro ko na gwapo, buutan, matinabangon, mabiyabihon, na nasaya ang tanan, pero dili ka kumpiyansaan, kay kanang inyong balayan, basin pasiritan. Once again, congratulations for being monetized in YouTube, Doms Biahero. Anyway, this is Ermi B, ang kuya mo sa YouTube and FB, na nag-ingon, pag hinay-hinay mo, kay magdagan-dagan ko. Bye-bye.
What's up bro? Doms Biahero, congratulations bro. Kay na-monetize na yung YouTube channel. Wow. You deserve it bro. Keep it up. And then more content nga makapahappy sa mga tao. Kaya ba ako mo-support ra jud na sila nimo kay maayo ka. And then naarami padayon sa imong pagbiyahe to success. So God bless you always, bro. You're the man. Congrats.
Hey guys, I just want to congratulate our dear Kuya Bro Doms Viajero. We are so proud of you, ang Tibok Team Premier, and even we are so proud of you. I know dili nga nakadali ang requirements ni YouTube abuton para sa ato mga small YouTubers, but yet na-bless ta karon nga year and gihatagan ta sa ato ang sa atong gi-request nga atong gihaguan og ayo. So yeah, you deserve that. You deserve this moment, and I hope you enjoy this for the rest of your life. Stay blessed and stay humble. I have may kalimti ang Tibok Team Premier. We love you so much. Peace out.
What's up? Bye, Doms Viajero. Finally, you've got it. Bye. And I would like to congratulate you for this achievement of yours. And remember that this is just the beginning of everything. It doesn't mean na monetize na ta, chill na ta, relax na ta. We need to hustle hard gihapon para ma-achieve na itong atong mga dreams. If ever sa mga ninang nasa imong mind na imong desire, sulod ka ning YouTube. And continue to inspire other people, especially sa mga kauban nato sa team. And remember all these things that we're doing, should not forget the person above who made these things possible. So again, bye, congrats, and God bless ahead for this new milestone.
Hey, Doms Viajero! It's another milestone, kapatid! Congratulations! You are now a monetized channel. Yoo-hoo! How so excited! Kapatid, congratulations! And I hope you'll always be there to support all our cool YouTubers, especially those who are starting. So we are here to keep going. So keep going, kapatid. Congratulations, and again, good luck. Wish you're gonna be successful here in this YT world. So again, congratulations, kapatid. I hope that we are here to always support each one of us, okay? So again, congratulations, good luck. This is your tissue queen, your Filipina señorita, amiga. Mwah!
Ayun, magandang araw po, and this is Makoy Santos Vlog. And for today's video, ayan, may babatiin na naman tayo dahil masaya na naman tayo at meron na namang isang kapatid natin na monetize. Ayan, walang iba kundi si Doms Viajero. Doms Viajero, congratulations for being a monetized channel. Just keep it up. Ipagpatuloy mo lang kung ano mga nasimulan mo. Ayan, at na-monetize na yung channel mo. Diyan ka na ulit magsisimula para naman kumita ang yung channel. Kaya naman maraming salamat. And God bless. Continue to be a blessing lang talaga. At maraming salamat din sa iyo sa suporta mo sa aking channel. Dahil nung mga panahong nangingisda ka sa akin, ayan, maraming salamat. And andito lang ako para suportahan ka lang din, Doms Viajero. Ayan, good luck on your channel. And maraming salamat. Enjoy mo lang ang pag-YT. Maraming salamat, kapatid. And congratulations.
Congratulations, Kuya Doms Viajero, for being a newly monetized channel. Padayon mga bulanon, and I hope that you will continue to make more videos, more content, more live streams, and more power to your channel. God bless, and I'm very happy na nakikita tayo ulit after how many years. Andito pa din sa YT.
Binabati ko po ng Merry Christmas, joke. Binabati ko po ng congratulations si Doms Viajero sa kanyang monetization sa kanyang YouTube channel. Keep creating content, Lodi, and share. Peace and love.
Hello, bro! Bro Doms, ayan, I called him Bro Doms, ayan. Sa pagka-monetize ng iyong channel, congratulations. I'm really happy for you. I hope and pray na mag-grow pa yung channel mo ng bonggang-bongga. Ayan. Congrats talaga sa iyo, my bro. At I'm so happy na naging part din ako ng iyong journey sa YT. Thank you sa na nakilala kita through my bro, syempre, sa aking my bro. Iba ka, my bro, Sir Tataboy Chavez. Ayan, siya po ay ang aking inspiration, guys. Ayan, so, congratulations, Bro Doms. Keep it up. gawin mo pang mapaganda yung channel mo. Nandito lang ako to support you. Nandito lang ang Ate Ems to help you. Ayan. To promote your channel as well. At ayan, alam mo na yon kung ano. Congratulations sa iyo, Brudoms. Ayan, finally. And this is for you. Congratulations. Ayan, congratulations sa aking bro, Doms Viajero. Ayan. Congrats. Congrats. This is for you. Congratulations. Congratulations. Celebration.
Hi, this is J-Max from Basketball Commoner. Congrats on me, bro. I know monetized na you got. I know you work very hard for it. And I'm an avid fan myself. I watch your videos every now and then. I learn a lot, especially the travels, mga biyahe. And for all the viewers out there, please continue supporting Doms Viajero. Really cool vids. Peace.
Hello Sir Doms, hello sa iyo dyan. I want to congratulate you kasi finally you got monetized. Monetized yung channel mo, may harang na. And thank you pala sa suporta kay Pagpatay na kakilala dahil kasi Tataboy, andyan ka, sumusuporta sa akin. I'm so thankful talaga Sir Doms, and asahan mo Sir Doms, nandito lang ako, suporta ako sa iyo all the way. And shoutout pala dyan sa Team Premier, super supportive, super napaka nila. Kapag sinabi niyo na yun, mag-premiere siya, puntahan natin na yun, sumusunod talaga kayo. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Nandito lang ako, suporta rin ako sa inyo. Magtulungan lang po tayo. And once again Sir Doms, congratulations. I'm so happy for you, for your achievements. Ayan, may ano na, may dollar na, may harang na, may ads na, ano pa yan. I'm so happy for you Sir Doms, and wish you all the best in your channel. More videos to come, more subscribers, more followers, and more views, and more trending na videos. Sana, ayan, once again, congratulations. I am so happy for you. Yan lang, bye-bye, God bless you.
Sa aking kaibigan na si Doms Viajero, congrats sa iyo my brother, dahil nakagraduate ka na rin kay YT. Yari na sa ating kay YouTube. Maghanda na sila. Andyan na si Doms Viajero. Congratulations brother. More power.
Hi Doms, congrats! Monetized na jud ka. Dili ba sa you reach of 1K subscribers and 4K watch hours, but you made it. Congrats. Maybe someday makahang out with a group and you can make a group vlog. Someday. Keep vlogging and enjoy.
Good morning, and this is DJ Saro Boo Boo. And I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate my friend Doms Viajero. Congratulations sa'yo, now that you're a monetized channel. Good luck and more power to your channel. Ayan, this is not the end of your journey sa YT. This is just the beginning, and yun lang. Congratulations sa'yo for being a monetized channel now. Maraming salamat, and don't forget to spread the love. This is Saro Bubu saying, spread the love.